One of the super legit, delicious foods you'll come across in Niger is suya. Whether it is beef suya, chicken suya, or even ram suya, you've just gotta love it. And really, what's suya without the major ingredient, yaji, suya spice? This is what gives suya its unique flavor. Let me show you how it's done. For the full list of ingredients, do check the description below. Let's get right into it. Before making the yaji, we'll start by toasting the ingredients. In this, we'll start by toasting all the ingredients one by one so you can see them clearly. First, we'll start with the kuli kuli. Once we're done toasting, we'll grind it into fine powder. Next, we'll toast the dried pepper and grind it as well. This is done to intensify the flavors and also ensure it doesn't get rancid and lasts longer in storage. You can toast the ingredients together in a pan or leave them to toast in an oven. Now it's time to combine everything together. Add the ground kuli kuli, onions, ginger, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, crushed seasoning and salt. The crushed seasoning I used is really salty, so for this I skipped the salt. Mix to incorporate. And your yaji suya spice is ready. This can now be used to coat the meat you intend roasting/grilling, that is, for chicken suya, beef suya, ram suya. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future posts. Till next time.